Hello, DIY enthusiasts. Welcome back to Skilled Hub. Today, we've got an exciting topic for you, expanding foam seal. Whether you're a seasoned DIYer or just getting started, this versatile product is a game changer for all your home improvement projects. Stick around as we explore everything you need to know about expanding foam, from its uses to application tips and more. Let's dive in. So, what exactly is expanding foam? Well, it's a polyurethane elastic adhesive sealant that expands to fill gaps and produce a permanent airtight barrier. Think of it as your secret weapon for sealing gaps, cracks, and even insulating walls and roofs. But before we get into the nitty-gritty, let's talk about some of the advantages of using expanding foam seal. First off, expanding foam is incredibly easy and quick to apply. It comes in a convenient spray form, allowing for precise application and increased project speed. Plus, expanding foam is highly efficient in sealing environments, making it perfect for preventing the passage of wind, rain, and even water. And let's not forget about its excellent resistance to pressure, collisions, and weather. Once it's dried, expanding foam forms a durable barrier that can withstand the elements with ease. Now that we know the benefits, let's talk about where you can use expanding foam filler. The possibilities are endless! Internally, expanding foam can be used to fix and seal air conditioning units, electrical energy distribution boards, doors, windows, and even fill expansion joints and cracks. And externally, expanding foam is perfect for installing doors and windows, sealing roofs, and even preventing the entry of unwanted guests like bats, birds, and rodents. But expanding foam isn't just for sealing gaps and cracks. It's also incredibly versatile. Check out these smart uses for expanding foam around the house. Stop pipes from rattling by spraying foam between the pipe and the structural member it rattles against. Protect fragile items during shipping or storage by creating custom foam padding. Fill voids below concrete surfaces to prevent cracking and erosion over time. Now let's talk about how to use expanding foam insulation for doors, windows, and roofs. It's important to follow the proper process for the best results. Before spraying the foam, make sure the area is clean and free of any residues. Shake the can well and apply the foam in a controlled manner, allowing for expansion and drying before finishing with a stylus. And remember, safety first. Always wear protective gear and avoid getting expanding foam on your skin or in your eyes. And there you have it. Everything you need to know about expanding foam seal. With its easy application, durability, and versatility, expanding foam is a must-have for any DIY enthusiast. So why not give it a try on your next home improvement project? Whether you're sealing windows, insulating attics, or fixing cracks, expanding foam has got you covered. Thanks for tuning in today, and be sure to subscribe to Skilled Hub for more tips, tricks, and DIY inspiration. Until next time, happy dyeing!